Greetings everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Luxuries Channel. As we venture into the heart of 2023, the digital realm presents itself as a goldmine of opportunities for those willing to dig a little deeper. The internet, in its vast expanse, harbors countless ways to make money online. From the creative freelancer to the savvy marketer, the digital age is a playground for entrepreneurs, teeming with possibilities. Imagine being able to earn a living from the comfort of your home, or better from a beach in Bali, or a cafe in Paris. The world is truly your oyster in this digital age. And today, we're here to guide you through this digital landscape, exploring the various avenues you can take to earn money online. So, if you've ever wondered about the myriad ways to earn a living online, you're in the right place. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Healthy Luxuries channel. Our first avenue is freelancing. This is a realm where your unique skills and talents can truly shine. Freelancing is no longer a side hustle or a backup plan. It's a viable career option that offers flexibility, control, and the potential for a great income. The beauty of freelancing is its vast scope. Whether your expertise lies in writing, graphic design, programming, or even consulting, there's a platform out there that needs your skills. The digital world is always in need of content creators, social media managers, virtual assistants, and countless other roles that could be a perfect fit for your abilities. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere in the world. No more commuting, no more rigid office hours. You set your schedule, your rates, and choose the projects that excite you. But remember, success in freelancing requires more than just skills. It's about marketing yourself effectively, building a solid reputation, and delivering consistently high-quality work. It's about staying updated with industry trends, constantly learning and evolving. While freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you get started, it's important to eventually establish your own online presence. A professional website showcasing your portfolio can be a powerful tool in attracting higher-paying clients. Consider also the power of networking. Connecting with other freelancers and potential clients on LinkedIn, attending webinars and online conferences, and joining relevant communities can open doors to opportunities you never even knew existed. And let's not forget about passive income. As a freelancer, you can create digital products related to your skills, like eBooks, online courses, or templates, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. This can provide a steady income even when you're not actively working. Freelancing, like any other career, comes with its challenges. But with the right mindset, dedication, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, it can be a rewarding journey that allows you to capitalize on your skills like never before. With freelancing, your skills can be your greatest asset. So harness them, refine them, and let them lead you to a life of financial freedom and luxuries. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy. It's like word-of-mouth advertising for the digital age, and it can be a fantastic way to turn your online presence into a money-making machine. Now let's break down what affiliate marketing really means. Imagine you found a product or service that you genuinely love and believe in. You want to share this with others, not merely as a suggestion but as a solution that could benefit them. This is where affiliate marketing comes into play. You promote this product or service through your unique affiliate link. This could be on your blog, YouTube channel, social media platforms, or any online space where you have an audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple as that. But here's the secret sauce. It's not about promoting everything under the sun. It's about authenticity and trust. When you only recommend products or services you truly believe in, your audience trusts your judgment, and they're more likely to make a purchase. It's a win-win situation. You provide value, and in return, you earn a commission. Now, how do you get started? First, identify a product or service that aligns with your audience's interests. Next, join the affiliate program of that product or service. Once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate link. Then, create engaging and valuable content around your chosen product or service, embedding your affiliate link within. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is quality content. Your content should be engaging, informative, and provide real value to your audience. This could be in the form of reviews, tutorials, or how-to guides. The goal is to convince your audience of the value your recommended product or service could bring to their lives. So, there you have it. Affiliate marketing can turn your recommendations into a lucrative income stream. It's about sharing what you love and earning from it. It's about turning your influence into income. And with the right approach, you could be well on your way to building a substantial online income. The knowledge economy is booming. This statement rings especially true in our hyper-connected world where information and expertise have become valuable commodities. One of the most effective ways to leverage this trend is by sharing your knowledge and skills through online courses or ebooks. Let's consider online courses first. With the rise of e-learning platforms, anyone with a specialized skill or knowledge can create and sell an online course. From cooking to coding, photography to philosophy, the possibilities are virtually limitless. The key here is to identify a niche that matches your passion and expertise, and where there's a demand for learning. Creating an online course does require an investment of time and energy. You'll need to plan your course content, create engaging instructional materials, and provide support to your students. But once your course is live, it can become a source of passive income, earning you money while you sleep. Now let's talk about ebooks. If you love writing and have expertise in a specific field, creating and selling an ebook can be a great way to establish your authority and earn income. Whether it's a comprehensive guide, a how-to manual, or a deep dive into a specialized topic, your ebook can reach a global audience. Writing an ebook also requires effort and commitment. You'll need to research, write, edit, and format your book. But the beauty of ebooks is that they can be easily updated and revised to keep up with changes and advancements in your field. Both online courses and ebooks offer the potential for scalability. Once created, they can be sold to an unlimited number of customers without additional costs. This is an advantage that traditional brick-and-mortar businesses often lack. In conclusion, sharing your expertise through online courses and ebooks is a powerful way to leverage the knowledge economy. It allows you to help others, establish your authority, and generate a steady income stream. Remember, your expertise can be your ticket to a steady income. So why not start sharing it today? E-commerce continues to flourish. The digital marketplace is a bustling hub of activity, teeming with exciting opportunities for those with an entrepreneurial spirit. Launching your online store is a journey that begins with careful planning. Firstly, selecting the right platform for your online store is critical. From Shopify to WooCommerce, Etsy to eBay, each platform offers unique features tailored to different needs. Consider your product, target audience, and business goals when making this choice. Remember, the perfect platform is the one that best aligns with your vision. Next, product selection. What you sell is as important as how you sell it. Identify a niche that resonates with you and has a high-demand market. Research your competition, understand your customers' needs, and offer products that provide a solution. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or drop-shipping goods, ensure your products stand out in the crowded digital marketplace. Now let's talk about marketing strategies. A well-crafted marketing strategy is the lifeline of any successful online store. This includes search engine optimization to increase visibility, social media marketing to engage with your audience, and email marketing to nurture customer relationships. Consider investing in paid advertising to drive traffic and sales. And don't forget the power of compelling product descriptions and high-quality images to attract and convert customers. Lastly, exceptional customer service is key. From easy navigation and secure payment options to prompt delivery and hassle-free returns, make your customer shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. After all, a satisfied customer is your best marketer. In the e-commerce world, success doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right approach, your online store can thrive, generating a steady stream of income and opening up a world of financial possibilities. With e-commerce, your entrepreneurial dreams can become a reality. So why wait? Start your online store today and step into the vibrant world of digital entrepreneurship. The world of cryptocurrency and online investing is evolving. It's like stepping into a new frontier, a digital landscape where innovation and opportunity meet. This isn't the Wild West of the internet anymore. It's an ecosystem of potential growth and progress. Let's start with cryptocurrency. Once a fringe concept, it has grown into a mainstream financial tool. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of the many altcoins, the value of these digital currencies lies not just in their trading price, but in the technology behind them. Blockchain, the underlying technology, is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across numerous computers. Its transparency, security, and resistance to fraud make it a game changer in the financial world. But how can you make money with cryptocurrencies? There are several ways, and we'll touch on a few. The first is trading. Much like the stock market, you can buy cryptocurrencies when their prices are low and sell when they're high. However, this requires a good understanding of the market and is subject to volatility. Another method is staking. This involves holding a cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Essentially, it's like earning interest on your holdings. The more you stake, the higher the potential return. Next, let's talk about online investing. There are numerous platforms that allow you to invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds right from your computer or smartphone. Some even offer robo-advisors, automated investment services that use algorithms to manage and adjust your portfolio based on market trends. Whether you're investing in traditional assets or exploring the world of cryptocurrency, remember that all investments come with risks. It's crucial to do your research, understand what you're investing in, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency and investing offer a frontier of digital opportunities. They're not just ways to make money online, they're tools for understanding and participating in the financial world of the future. Virtual assistance is in high demand. This evolving field has seen a spike in recent years thanks to the boom in remote work and the increasing need for businesses and entrepreneurs to delegate tasks. As a virtual assistant, you step into the role of a remote administrative professional, providing a wide range of services that can be tailored to your unique skill set. This could involve managing emails, coordinating schedules, handling social media, or even offering specialized services like graphic design or content creation. The beauty of this role is its flexibility and the ability to cater to your strengths. If you're a whiz at organization, you might excel at managing a busy executive's calendar. If you have a knack for social media, you could manage a brand's online presence. Now, you may be wondering, how do I become a virtual assistant? The first step is to identify your strengths and the services you wish to offer. Once you've done that, you can begin to market yourself. There are numerous online platforms dedicated to connecting virtual assistants with clients. You could also reach out to businesses directly or network within your existing contacts. One of the key things to remember as a virtual assistant is the importance of communication. Since you'll be working remotely, it's crucial to maintain clear and consistent communication with your clients. This will ensure that you fully understand their needs and can deliver the best possible service. The income potential for virtual assistants can vary widely, depending on the services offered and the level of expertise. However, with dedication and high-quality service, this can be a lucrative avenue for earning income online. And the best part? As a virtual assistant, you're not tied down to a specific location. As long as you have a reliable internet connection, you can work from anywhere in the world, offering support to clients across different time zones. With virtual assistants, you can offer support from anywhere and earn a living. It's about leveraging the digital age to your advantage, creating a flexible work-life balance while also building a steady income stream. In conclusion, the online world is a treasure trove of opportunities. The digital landscape is teeming with pathways to prosperity, each unique in its approach and potential rewards. From capitalizing on your skills through freelancing, turning recommendations into income with affiliate marketing, sharing your expertise via online courses and ebooks, launching your online store in the flourishing e-commerce space, exploring the digital frontier of cryptocurrency and online investments, to providing support from anywhere as a virtual assistant, the internet is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. So what's stopping you? The path to financial freedom is at your fingertips. It's time to seize the moment, embrace the digital revolution, and embark on your online money-making journey. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to your financial goals. By leveraging your skills, knowledge, and the power of the internet, you can create diversified income streams that lead to financial health and, ultimately, a life of luxuries.